Ever woken up to find that your favorite cryptocurrency network has gone dark? That was the reality for Solana users and validators on February 6, 2024. The Solana network, known for its high-performance capabilities, experienced a significant outage that began at 10:22 UTC. The Solana mainnet was not producing blocks and block progression came to a standstill. This was the first major outage of 2024 for Solana, and it sent ripples through the crypto world. An hour into the outage, Solana validators sprang into action. They began preparing for a restart, producing snapshots for slot 246,464,040. The plan was to use version 1.17.20 to restart the mainnet beta cluster. A new Jito Solana release was also made available, offering some hope in the midst of the blackout. The Solana Blockchain Explorer confirmed the downtime, flashing a major outage warning on the mainnet, causing a buzz in the crypto community. Core engineers and validators were on the case, actively investigating the issue, working tirelessly to restore the network. In summary, the key points to remember from this event are: 1. The Solana network experienced its first major outage of 2024 on February 6. 1. The network stopped producing blocks and block progression was halted. 1. Solana validators began preparing for a restart an hour into the outage, planning to use version 1.17.20. 1. A new Jito Solana release was made available to aid in the recovery process. 1. Solana's core engineers and validators were actively investigating the issue and working to restore the network. This event underscores the importance of the validators and engineers who keep these networks running. It's a reminder that even the most robust systems can face challenges and how crucial it is to respond swiftly and effectively. It's a testament to the resilience of the Solana network and the dedication of its community. It's these moments of adversity that truly test the mettle of a network and its community, and Solana's response to this outage is a testament to its strength and resilience. Keep an eye on this space for more updates on the world of cryptocurrency.